everyone. It's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I am doing a Dutch pour turned cloud pour. And you'll see exactly what I mean as we go along with this painting. I'm going to be using all greens, and I may use a touch of gold in there as we go along. I will list all my greens and colors down below, and I will also list how I mix my paints. As you can see, I'm just laying down some paints, some of my greens. Just putting them down a little at a time, as you would for a Dutch pour if you wanted like a different kind of Dutch pour. I'm going from dark to light, back to dark. I'm using all different greens. I have a white background there, so it's Artist Loft white, and I have that mixed with 1 part paint and 1 part Floetrol, and then water to the very thin consistency. And I have a different array of paints. I have soft body, I have Liquitex Basics, I have some Liquitex soft body, I have golden in here. I have all different paints. I even have a Joe Sonia iridescent. That's what I just put down there now. To add a little shine. Now I'm circling in my white, like you do for Dutch pour. Getting my blow dryer, and I have it on high, and I'm taking all that white paint and I'm pushing everything in to let these paints react, get a little reaction in there. And now I'm starting to blow out. I blow one way and then I blow the other. Try and get as close as possible to these paints. And that does look quite beautiful. Yeah. Sometimes I just don't know when to stop though. So it's looking pretty good. And I should be happy with that. Cleaning off the bottom, making it nice and neat. So right now what I should really do is take it and put it aside and not touch it, because I have such beautiful cells. I have really nice cells in there, and it's looking really good. Give it a little torch, Bring up some of those beautiful cells there. And that should be a done deal. But it's not, because I have to touch it, because I see that there's a lot of paint. There's a lot of white paint on there. And I'm saying, oh, let me see if I can get some of that white paint off. And this is my first mistake. Yeah, this is when I see that white paint. And this was my first mistake. Now I put my finger in it. Okay. Now everything starts to get out of shape. Making a mess on the side. Alright, now let's go for it. At this point I said, well, let me just tilt it now. May as well tilt it. And as I'm tilting, I do notice that I'm getting these nice little boulders on the side. And I'm wondering, did I pick up the wrong bottle again for my base coat? But I really could not have, because I mixed that paint right before I did this. And it was just Artist Loft, Floetrol, and water. There was nothing else in there. So I got all of these pearl cells and these boulders just with that. There is no satin enamel, no bare satin enamel, no Deco Art satin enamel, none of that in any of this. So I got a darn good pearl pour without using any satin enamel, which I find quite interesting. So how does that happen? If there's an artist out there that can tell me that, I would love to know. I'm really beginning to think that most of this comes from the Artist Loft. So, yeah. So I call this a done deal. I did let it sit a while, and some more of those pearls did develop. And at the end, you'll see the close-up, and I think it looks darn good. So please give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, send it to a friend. Thank you for coming. Here's the close-up. Have a great day. Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Bye-bye now.